Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Make sure the major Roman 4 has some charge and your phone or laptop has Bluetooth enabled and discoverable. Power the headphone on using the button. Watch the LED for white blinking, which indicates pairing mode. If it doesn't enter pairing, hold the power button 5-7 seconds until the pattern changes. Once done, move the devices close together so the signal is strong. This reduces pairing errors and speeds the initial connection. You'll now pair. On your phone or computer, open the Bluetooth settings and scan. Select Marshall Major Roman 4 from the available devices list and accept any prompts. Usually there's no passkey, but if asked, confirm the shown code. Once paired, make sure the audio output switches to the headset. On some systems, you must choose it manually. Play a short test clip for 10 to 20 seconds to verify left/right balance and volume, and adjust the device's volume, not just the headphones. You're almost done. Position the ear cups for comfort and proper seal so bass and mic performance are optimal. If you experience dropouts or latency, open the Marshall app and update firmware. Updates often fix connectivity bugs. Make sure no other paired device is actively trying to connect. Disable Bluetooth on them temporarily. If nothing works, perform a factory reset by holding power and volume up for about 10 seconds, then repair. This usually clears persistent pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.